In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a sale on eBay as a seller, covering everything you need to know in our full 2025 guide. Whether you're new to selling on eBay or have been doing it for a while, there might come a time when you need to cancel an order. Perhaps the item is out of stock or there was an error in the listing. Whatever your situation, this guide will take you step by step through the process. First, make sure you're logged into your eBay account. Head over to your preferred web browser, type ebay.com into your address bar, and then log in using your credentials. If you've already logged in, you're set to proceed to the next step. Once logged in, navigate to the My eBay section. You'll find this option on the top right corner of your homepage. After clicking My eBay, a drop-down menu should appear where you can select Selling. This will bring you to the area where all your current listings are displayed along with crucial selling activities. In the Selling section, look for the Orders tab. Clicking on this tab will lead you to the order management page where all current and past orders are listed. It's your central hub for managing sales, refunds, and communication with buyers. Within your list of orders, locate the specific item order that you wish to cancel. This can sometimes be the most detailed part, especially if you have many ongoing transactions, so take your time to find the right one. Once you've found the order, spot the drop-down menu next to it. Simply click on this drop-down to see a list of actions you can take regarding the order. From the options presented in the drop-down, select Cancel Order. At this point, the system will prompt you to pick a reason for the cancellation. It's important to select the correct reason to ensure that the process goes smoothly, and it helps in maintaining good seller standing with eBay. After selecting your reason, go ahead and click Submit Cancellation. eBay will process this and quickly notify the buyer about the order cancellation. This is a significant step as it informs the buyer to expect no further shipment. They'll receive a notification through their eBay messages and email. Following this, eBay will automatically refund the buyer the full amount they paid. As a seller, this process helps in reducing manual work you'd otherwise have to handle. Lastly, if the cancellation reason qualifies, you might receive a refund for any final value fees you incurred for this sale. Keep an eye on your seller account for this adjustment. That's all there is to it. Cancelling a sale on eBay is a straightforward process when you know where to go and what steps to follow. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful eBay selling tips.